Sugies, Ashley here, and in today's video I have another amazing room reveal for you guys. This time it is our previous guest room that I used in my very old filming videos. So if you are used to seeing that background with the bookshelf behind me, that was the old guest room that I used part-time to film in, and now that I am in the upstairs room, I've decided to completely renovate that room. It has taken a good amount of time and a lot of love and patience, but I am finally really happy with the results. So if you are interested in seeing this room renovation, then just keep watching. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and get into this bedroom reveal. So this was an absolute labor of love, but I think the most important and best feature of this room is this amazing piece that I was able to find from HomeGoods. Now, I did show this in my most recent HomeGoods haul, and I just want to take a couple of minutes to talk about it. It really is an amazing find. I love the fact that it is black metal, and I also love the fact that it's got that glass. So it really has that nice contrast of delicate and industrial, and I just feel like with the gold knobs it just really works. I also love that it does have feet, so it is off of the floor, and it really is simple, so you are really truly able to decorate this any way you want. I also love that I really used a lot of items that I normally have in storage or wouldn't use all the time or have it in a really long time. And I feel like that's what really kind of brought this to life, is a nice eclectic mix of items. So like I said in my Christmas video, don't be afraid to reuse items that you already have. You don't always have to buy something new. For example, this planter was something that I literally haven't used in so long, and I spray painted the bottom black and I put it on this marble tray that I love but haven't found a place for yet, and that's now at the bottom. And then on the next shelf I do have an older mercury glass bowl, completely random, and I just put it on a stack of my books. And then over here I have a plant, just an extra plant that I had, and a box with those limestone rings on top. And then down here some older mirrored boxes I had, and then I put a candle on top with some beads. I really love it. I think it's my most favorite piece that I've gotten furniture wise from HomeGoods in a really long time. I did mention I did get a discount because it was missing one of these knobs, but totally something that I can fix later on. I really feel like they're like a wood material with just kind of that rib in them. So I'm just going to figure out, you know, how I can remedy that by either purchasing another one online or changing them all to just a different gold material. On the top here, I did have something. I literally probably spent the most time working on this area right here. Very time consuming. You know, getting something like this right seems like it would be very simple, but sometimes it is and sometimes it isn't. And I think that this turned out really well. I knew that I wanted to incorporate these wooden beads that I got from HomeGoods. I've seen a ton of DIYs on these because a lot of them only have that bright blue color and the green color. So super cheap, 19 bucks from Home Goods, so if you find them, you could spray paint them. Really good dupe. I did put them on my new Marc Jacobs book, and then just a large candle on top. This I did make. I got the bottom from Home Goods, and then I just put the moss on top. I think this was in one of my DIY videos. I personally just put tissue paper down at the bottom. I don't know if that's something people know about, but instead of filling the entire bowl up, I just used tissue paper. I figured that was more resourceful. And then my little horse that I did find recently that I love, and I was able to put him in here. He's a little distressed, kind of like an RH looking horse. So again, mixing the metals and the woods and kind of blending everything together, I really feel like it just turned out great. This is the old tree from our living room that honestly I'll probably leave in here because I don't want it in the living room anymore. I want an olive tree. And then this bed, which is not complete, but I just, you know, for all intents and purposes of the video, wanted to show you guys an idea of what it was looking like. And I really do love the actual bed itself. It was a steal from Wayfair. It's this beautiful, like neutral linen, thick linen tweed type material, and it does have some silver accent nail heads. It is tufted and super inexpensive, very affordable. I can link it below for you guys, but I just wanted something simple. I did get this velvet duvet from Target that I absolutely love. It needs to be steamed, but I just threw it on here so you guys could see. And then I did use an old, again, trying to recycle some things, this old coverlet, and then it came with the shams. I have those Euro pillows, and then I did pick this up from Home Goods in a recent haul, and really love the texture and color of it, just kind of keeping that black incorporated throughout. Now moving over to my lovely nightstand, I really did love the way that this turned out as well. This was something that I actually had to end up building myself, and I know that I mentioned or showed at one point that I've had this for quite some time. I really love it. I got it from Target. It is very nice, great quality. I love the cane texture. These really, really large oversized handles with the gold accents. I think it's super cute. And then at the base, it's just kind of got these bronze accents for feet. This was older, again, repurposed that and used it here. And then my favorite little accessory, my baby bust on the little stand. I just put it on some books. I thought that that worked out perfectly as well. And then again, not completely done, but I did use this old mirror just to kind of tie everything in together so that it had some, you know, light and something on that wall. And then these curtains that are the classic ones from IKEA. They did not have the ones I normally get, the HILJA, however you pronounce that. These are the more thick version of that. They are a little bit more expensive and a little bit thicker. I think these will be fine for this room, but I do want to wait till the other ones, my favorite ones, come back in stock, just because they're a little bit lighter and thinner for the upstairs room. So that's just it. I used the old pole that we had, just a simple black matte one, and I actually left it the old fan as well because it's black. So I do want to try and find an artwork piece for up there. But as you can see, this is good for now. I'm really happy with the results. I think that it's really nice. I was able to utilize the room and create a nice space for a guest room. All right, you guys, that completes this room renovation. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I will link everything in the description box down below for you guys if you are interested in getting any of those pieces or more information on this video. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.